Welcome to my talk on gray matter. Why is it called gray matters? I'm an Agatha Christie fan, and Hercule Poirot always talked about his little gray cells. They were needed to solve the crime. Our brain is critical for all human life, but it is one of the big concerns as we age. I contend that while we may slow down, if we don't develop a disease, our ability to learn and understand remains as skillful as it always was. But there are many people who think that because we may not have grown up with the technology of today, and because we may not choose to keep up with the newest way of doing things, we are ready targets for scams and manipulation. Given that we are now living in a world where there are alternative facts and truth can be difficult to identify, we need to have the skills to see what is real and true and what is false. Psychology has worked very hard to leave its philosophical background in the past and has become a scientific discipline. This is an election year, and since our age group is famous for being enthusiastic voters, we are the focus of all the politicians. The same psychology that influences what brand of soap we buy is used to influence who gets our vote. And if you think you are not influenced, think again. They aren't spending millions of dollars on something that does not work. What should you do if you have family members or friends who hold different opinions on some important issues? Some people who wish to avoid the controversy just won't talk about them. Others are horrified at what others believe and wish to convert them to a different point of view. Let's look at the evidence that science has provided, and you can decide